Welcome to an exciting journey as we take a break from our corporate routines and embark on a mesmerizing 2-day trip from Bangalore to the serene landscapes of Chikmagalur. Let's dive right in. By evening, we reached Chikmagalur, checked into our cozy accommodations, and shared laughs over dinner. The morning greeted us with a dreamy haze. The air was cool and crisp, and a gentle fog wrapped itself around the paddy field in front of us. Standing on the veranda, with a warm cup of coffee in hand, we watched as the fog slowly lifted. Place has enough room for small games and campfire. Morning was a refreshing adventure as we drove to Mullayanagiri, Karnataka's highest peak. The winding roads and cool breeze welcomed us as we trekked to the summit. The panoramic views from the top were worth every step. Our next destination was Baba Budangiri, a hill range steeped in history and mysticism. Our adventure to Baba Budangiri was nothing short of exhilarating. And the journey began with an unforgettable jeep ride through the rugged terrains. As the jeep roared to life, we set off on a winding path that promised breathtaking views and an adrenaline rush like no other. Finally, we reached the summit, a place where serenity and grandeur collided. Standing there, with the cool wind howling around us, we felt an incredible sense of freedom and connection to the untamed beauty of this place. It was still dark when we began our trek to Budangiri. The air crisp and filled with the quiet hum of nature waking up. The first rays of sunlight filtered through the dense canopy, creating a magical interplay of light and shadow. Each pause to catch our breath felt like an opportunity to soak in the beauty around us. Approaching the summit, the terrain grew rugged, and the iconic Budangiri rocks came into view. These massive boulders, standing tall against the backdrop of the awakening sky, were a sight to behold. The final stretch was a test of determination, but the promise of the view ahead kept us moving. And then, we made it. Standing atop Budangiri, the landscape unfolded like a masterpiece, rolling hills blanketed in mist, valleys stretching far into the horizon, and the sun rising gracefully, casting a golden glow over everything it touched. Sitting there, with the world at our feet, time seemed to stand still. This trip wasn't just about exploring places, it was about bonding, creating memories, and recharging ourselves. Thank you for joining us on this journey.